Hey guys, if you're trying to open up Fortnite or any game for that matter and you're stuck right here where it's just not connecting and you already checked your internet, so we're just gonna go back into this and we're gonna make sure, obviously, first of all, you guys should check your internet. So up here, we're just gonna go all the way to the right. We're gonna see settings, from settings, network, and from network, just test internet connection. You don't have to connect up again unless there actually is a problem right here on your internet. So we're just gonna go ahead and test this out. As long as it's working and we make sure our internet's working just fine, then go ahead to the second step to refresh this. So right now we can see that everything's working fine. So we're gonna go ahead. So down here below, you're gonna see Fortnite and just press the options button. And then you're gonna see this and just close application. This will completely close it. Before we weren't closing the application, we were just getting out of it. So right now it's completely closed. We can start it again. And at this point in time, it's supposed to run because we already checked our internet connection and there's no updates happening. Sometimes this happens when it needs an update, and by doing this, you're kind of refreshing it. The next step would be to just restart your Xbox or PlayStation in this case, and that will also refresh everything and you should be good to go. Especially if you're having problems with Fortnite or any game, restarting is good because that means it's fully closing the app and it's refreshing everything else. Don't worry about restarting an Xbox or PlayStation like right now because you will not lose anything. By turning off your PlayStation, it's not going to erase any of your skins or get rid of your V-Bucks. Even if you guys have a lot of problems and decide to delete the game, which is the very last thing we have to do if we still have problems, you're still gonna have your skins and everything as long as you guys know your username and password or with which account you guys signed into it. Then all your skins and your V-Bucks are right in there, so you're not gonna lose anything. I actually made a video about that where I showed you guys how to delete and then how to get it back, because I had a lot of those questions. What happens if you delete the game and then you reinstall it? Will you lose all your V-Bucks and everything? You don't. And I actually did show that in a separate video where I actually deleted the app, the game itself, and then I reinstalled it and showed everybody that I still had my V-Bucks, I still had my skins, did not lose anything. Again, as long as you guys know your username and password or how you guys actually signed up for it. Anyways, right now we're gonna start Fortnite. And at this point in time, it should be working. I shouldn't get stuck and everything should be fine. So here we go. Everything loaded just fine. I can go into play. And at this point in time, if you guys get to that screen, most likely it's gonna work. It's only the past screens where it sometimes does get stuck. It's not that rare that happens, so don't worry about it. It is a glitch that happens once in a while. And here we go. That's it, guys. That's all we had to do. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.